Hey 5th grade mathers, welcome to page 123 and 124. Okay, we are working with fractions today, but in a little bit of a different way. I'm going to show you very carefully how to do these. It's a little bit of a new concept and a little bit of an old concept. So really, it's not going to be that hard. But I'm also going to review a few things with you at the end of the lesson too. The word problems on number 3 and some things on number 5 and 6. Okay, so that means you need to pay close attention. Why? Tomorrow you have a test. Tomorrow you do not have a video, but you need to send me that test as soon as you do it, so that I can check it and I can send you back corrections, because these are going to really help you arreglar some things that you need help with in fractions, okay? So don't do what, Michelle? Don't wait a long time and don't be chabacaneando with it, guys. It's like, oh, I don't know, but I'm just going to put this. Oh, I don't know, I'm just going to put this. I don't know, I'm just going to put this. No. Guys, I have taught you fractions, and we have repeated the rules. And I will repeat the rules again today, but you need to pay attention. Like, mire, escuchen bien. If you guys are here watching the video, but your mind is over there, and you're looking over here, and you're talking to your sister, and you're doing your sumas and your multiplication that you already know how to do until I start the lesson, and you're not really listening, no están participando en el video. ¿Y para qué sirve el video si no van a participar y no van a escuchar? Entonces, mírame, look and watch and do what I tell you to do, okay? And if you have any questions, you just ask. But don't invent. It's not going to help you. Okay, here we go. Your lesson for today is to teach you that sometimes conversions are going to have weird answers, and sometimes conversions are going to have weird conversions. Like, look at that. 1/3 yard equals something feet. 1/3 yard? We've never seen a fraction before. Exactly, but guess what? It's super easy. Over here, you've seen something like 5 inches equals a foot, but guess what? You're going to have a fraction as your answer, and that is okay. Okay, so your lesson today is to show you that sometimes you have fraction answers, sometimes you have fraction problems, but if you follow the steps that I taught you way back like 2 years ago for fractions, you're going to be okay. So let's do our conversions. 5 inches equals how many feet? We put 5 inches, like always. Do it with me for number 1. You can do this on the side. I don't care, but I want you to do it. You might need to use a different piece of paper because they don't give you a lot of space. 5 inches on the bottom, foot on top. How many inches are in a foot, Frankie? 12 inches, 1 foot. So, Ms. Huska, I must multiply, right? No. The 12 is on the bottom. So what do? You put 5 on the top, 12 on the bottom, because you can't really divide this, can you? No, you can't really divide 5 into 12. You can't do 5 divided by 12, because 5 is smaller. So listen carefully. If the smaller measure is only a part of this, fraction is going to be your answer. Usually this number is bigger, but this is smaller than this, so a fraction is going to be your answer. Eso tiene mucho sentido, ustedes, because, look, 5 inches does not even equal 1 foot. 12 inches equal a foot, so this is less than a foot, which means a fraction has to be your answer. Okay? Let's look at letter B. Letter B. "10 minutes equals how many hours?" Well, 10 minutes isn't even 1 hour, so we know that this is going to be a fraction, right? 10 minutes. What do I put down here, Oscar? Minute. What do I put up here, Ethan? Hour. How many minutes are in an hour, Andres? 60 minutes in 1 hour. Well, 60 is on the bottom, so we have to divide, right, Danielito? But can you divide 10 divided by 60? No, because 10 is smaller than 60, so your answer is going to be a fraction. What goes on top, Bueno? 10. What goes on bottom, Danielito? 60. 10, 60. Can I do anything with this fraction? Zephyr? Reduce it. Here we go, let's reduce. What can I divide by? I think you guys are gonna pick 2. Guess what, you could have picked 10. I'll show you that at the end, but okay, let's pick 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5, 60 divided by 2 is 30. Can I divide again, Abigail? Yes, I can, by 5, right? 5 divided by 5 is 1, 30 divided by 5 is 6. So my answer is 1/6. Guess what? I could just do 10, 60, take off my zeros, and I have 1/6. Just to let you know. But we can do that when we're together again. Okay? So that is how you do A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Try letter C, and we'll check it together. Try letter C. Okay, let's do it. 3 days, how many weeks? Well, we know that there's 7 days in a week, so this is going to be a fraction because it's less than that. Day on the bottom, week on the top. How many days are in a week? Anybody? Mario? 7. So what do we do? What's your fraction? 3/7. Bada bing, bada boom. That's all you do. Okay? Let's look at number 2, letter A. Number 2, letter A. Let's use a fraction to get this. Well, we have 1/3 yard. Whoops. What do we put on the bottom, Frankie? Yard. What do we put on the top, Frankie? Foot. How many feet are in a yard, Andres? 3. 3 feet, 1 yard. Oh, okay. Now we're gonna multiply, right? Because the 3 is on the top. 1/3 times 3/1. Okay? And then look what we can do. 3 divided by 3 is 1. And what's your answer? A big fat 1. Okay? If you don't like to cancel, you're like, but Jessica, I don't like that method. Okay? 1 times 3 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. And you still get 1 as your answer. Okay, let's look at letter B. Try letter B by yourself. Try letter B by yourself. Okay, ready? 1/4 year. What do you put on the bottom? Danielito? Year. What do we put on the top? Dueno? Month. How many months are in a year, Dueno? 12. And we multiply. Right? Can we do 12 divided by 4? We sure can. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Put the 3 by the 12 and the 1 by the 4. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 1 is 1. So your answer is 3. 1/4 year is 3 months. Okay? We don't have time to do any more, but you just gotta use your multiplying fraction skills, okay? Don't invent, you guys. If you don't remember how to cancel like I was showing you, just multiply and reduce. Multiply and divide. It's gonna be okay, okay? Let's look at number 3, letter A. Number 3, letter A. Mrs. Crawford used 3 eggs in her cake. What fractional part of a dozen is 3 eggs? Okay, guys. So easy, so easy. What fractional part of a dozen is 3 eggs? Well, how many eggs are in a dozen? A docena. Doce. And she used how many? 3. Make a fraction from that and reduce it. I want to see you do it. Look at letter B. Destiny bought 6 cookies at $3.96 per dozen. How much did she pay? Guys, she got 6 cookies. Is that a dozen? It's half a dozen, right? It's 6 over 12 cookies. What is 6 over 12 reduced? 1/2, because you, right? Okay, now you need to multiply. You need to take half of $3.96. Half of $3.96. Okay? This part you can do by yourself. Got it? Look at letter C. Mr. Jackson used 3/4 gallons of gas in his lawnmower. Each gallon costs $3.12. How much gas did it cost for his lawnmower? So you're gonna have to do 3/4, this is weird, times 3.12 over 1. $3.12 over 1. So what are you gonna have to do? You're gonna have to go $3.12 times 3, right? 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 1, punto, 3 times 3 is $9.36. Goes up here, and then what goes here? 4 times 1 is 4. So now what do you have to do with this? Divide it again. Go ahead and do that one by yourself, okay? Look at letter D. Okay, cross out letter D. I don't want you to do letter D today, because I want to review letter E with you. Look at letter E. If there are 4 red beads and 5 blue beads in a bag, what is the probability that a blue one will be chosen? Okay, our probability is total over what you're looking for, right? Total over what you're looking for. What's your total number of beads, Frankie? 9. And how many blue ones are there, Oscar? 5. Can you reduce that number? No. So there's your probability, okay? Let's look at Look at 5, letter B. Look at 5, letter B. What's your common denominator there, you guys? 9, 3, and 6. Well, let's look at 9. 9 times 1 is 9. Can you put 6 into 9? No. 9 times 2 is 18. Can you put 3 into 18? Can you put 6 into 18? So what do you think your common denominator is? 18. Okay? Look at letter C. 22 and 11. Can you put 11 into 22? Yeah, so 22 is your common denominator. Okay? And I'll let you find the other ones by yourself. Look at number 6. Look at number 6. Guys, you cannot invent, look at letter A. 5/8 over 3/4. You cannot invent that you can divide 5 divided by 4. Can you divide 5 divided by 4? No. Can you divide 3 and 8? No. So this one you just have to go straight. 5 times 3 is 15. 8 times 4 is 32. Okay? And I want to see what you understand and don't understand with the rest of those. Okay? So I can help you get ready for your test. If you show me today what it looks like, I can help you with your test, guys. Okay? Thank you. Have a great day.